Hi everyone, my name is Sandrine Curtis and I'll be your teacher today. I've been drawing with colored pencils on black paper for over 15 years and it's time for me to share what I've learned and the technique that I use. If you're brand new here today, welcome. As a warm-up before working on this project, I would suggest to check out the videos 3, 4, and 5 of the first class called The Basics. It will give you a few helpful tips. If you've already watched the previous classes, welcome back. You're probably starting to be more familiar with working on black paper with colored pencils by now. This new project will come in 2 versions. This first one is the easier, more basic version of the two, where we'll use only a white pencil with a few colors for the eye. The second version will be published shortly. That one will involve more colors, as you can see that the reflected lights on the fur aren't actually white. But for now, I'm offering you an easy-to-follow step-by-step tutorial that includes mostly real-time videos so that you can see the full process and speed when I apply the pencil on the paper. I hope you'll join me in this class where you can follow the easy instructions at your own pace. And please feel free to share your progress with the other students and ask questions whenever you need to. I'll see you in class.